Here's some common issues with setting up goals in Google Analytics. Firstly, are you tracking page views, not the completed action? So a typical scenario is a registration goal. The user submits a form on one page and then goes to a thank you page after completion. Are you tracking the destination goal correctly as the thank you page, not the page the form is on? If there's no thank you page, if there's no page the user goes to after completing the form, you're going to need to set up a custom event to track the completion of the form. Selecting the wrong match type is another common problem. If you select exact match for URL, it's only going to match that phrase, not with any parameters on the end of it. You can use head match just to match the start of the URL. For example, /my page will match with a head match /my page and anything else on the end. Or you may need to use a regular expression, which gives more flexibility in searching for a particular string within the URL. The next problem is inconsistent naming. If you set up an event goal to match the word email, that's only going to match that case-sensitive version, not e-mail or any other derivatives. If you are doing all that matching correctly, you may have a problem with the filters on the Google Analytics view rewriting the URLs. So the URL you see in the browser may not, in your Google Analytics setup, be the URL you see in the page views. The simplest way of checking that is to go to the Behavior and All Pages report and see if you can find the page there. And then the last one and most complicated is you have a cross-domain problem. We have other articles on this, but basically if your user completes an action on one domain and then goes to another domain, the user will be lost between the two. So it's hard to track the conversion goals correctly. In this case, you're going to need to refer to our greater details or contact us for support. And finally, a pro tip. You want to check your goals in real time using the real-time reports. This enables you to see actually when you click on the site how that is converting into a goal, or if it's converting into a goal. It's a very quick feedback loop and helps error checking. Good luck with that.